Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, we are going to be making, well, this cupcake is inspired by one of my all-time favorite drag queens, Alaska. I can't say her full name because I just can't, but her name is Alaska. The way I describe Alaska, she's kind of like LA-ish, but kind of gross, but super talented, and her music is so much fun to listen to. She has a song called This Is My Hair, and the lyrics in that song are, "This is my hair, I don't wear wigs," and the entire song is about her hair, and it's just really silly and hilarious and really fun to listen to. So I'm making a cupcake inspired by her song called Platinum Blonde. Let's get stuck into these cupcakes. So the first thing we're going to do is pop our flour, sugar, baking powder and salt into a larger mixing bowl. You want to mix those on high speed until everything is well combined. Then you're going to add your softened butter and mix that until you reach a crumbly sand-like texture. Next, we're going to add our wet ingredients. So our milk, oil, eggs, Greek yogurt, vanilla. Now, I've actually used some musk essence. For those of you who don't know what musk essence is, it's kind of a little bit hard to explain, but it's a candy we have here in Australia, and it's super delicious. So we're going to be adding some of that in our batter as well. And we're going to mix that until everything comes together. Now, because Platinum Blonde is actually not super white, it's actually kind of like it can be different colors. You can have like a purplish platinum blonde, pink, yellowish, grey. We're going to go for kind of like a grey purple. So we're going to put a little bit of pink food gel and purple food gel into our batter, just a tiny little drop of each. And we're going to mix our batter. We're going to scoop our batter into our cupcake liners, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. So for this recipe, it's important that you use white cupcake liners because this cupcake is all about the look, so you want to make sure you get those looks right. You want to pop those in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes. We're going to slow bake them on a low temperature, so 140 degrees Celsius. Once they're finished baking, take them out of your cupcake tray and pop them onto a cooling rack. Now, while those are cooling down, let's move on to preparing our buttercream frosting. So same deal, we're gonna add some purple and pink food gel into there and some musk flavoring as well. We're gonna mix that until everything is really well combined. Now guys, before we move on to decorating our cupcakes, I want to quickly remind you to make sure you hit the subscribe button because I upload 2 new videos a week. So hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date. Make sure you also hit the little bell notification icon and turn notifications on for all videos. That way you get notified as soon as the new videos are up. To finish this cupcake off, we are going to be using a special ingredient. Now, some of you might know this as a whole bunch of different names. It's called Pashmak in some countries, dragon's beard. So in Australia we call it Persian fairy floss. You guys might know it as cotton candy in America. So let me show you what it is. So for me, it comes in a little tub and it's kind of a weird texture. It looks like hair, which is why we're using it for this cupcake. So the great thing about this stuff is that it lasts a lot longer than regular cotton candy or fairy floss, which means you can pop it on your cupcakes about an hour and a half before you serve them, and it'll still look great. So to finish these cupcakes, we're gonna fit the end of a piping bag with a round tip, and we're gonna frost a little kind of, well, actually, it's quite a tall bulb. That's gonna act as a support structure for our cotton candy. So we're gonna wrap our cotton candy around that tall spike of frosting. And guys, the aim here is to make it look kind of like a Marie Antoinette wig. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Platinum Blonde cupcakes. I'd love for you guys to make these and tag me on social media, Instagram and Facebook. If you want to grab the recipe to make them, you'll find it on my website, scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.